It's yours Cloud from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to add social sharing buttons into your WordPress blog post. So you did write an amazing blog post, you create some image, you did the SEO optimization, but if you review the post, there is something very important missing. What is? There is no way to share this post on social media. So if someone likes the post, this person, this user, this potential customer can't share the content into their favorite social accounts. How to add this to your WordPress blog for free? This is what we're gonna learn to this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, move to your WordPress dashboard. To access dashboard, all I have to do is enter with your domain name into the browser address bar plus wp-admin, login with your username and email and password, review the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over plugins and hit the submenu Add Plugin. Into the upper right corner of your screen, you're going to be able to see a field called Search Plugins. Click and type Sashi Social Share. This guy right here. By support, okay? Click on Install Now. Click into the Activate button. This is going to redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site, and if you review the WordPress left sidebar of menus, you're going to be able to find a new menu called Sashi Social Share. Click on it. Right here, we first gonna customize the buttons. We can choose round, square, and rectangle. Up to you and to your site needs. I personally prefer the rectangle. You can customize every single part of the button, including sizes, color, and other parts. You can change the position. I prefer the bottom, but it's up to you. Now we have the floating interface because we can apply floating icons as well. Save change. Now, move to Standard Interface tab. Enable Standard Sharing Interface. Up to you, okay? Floating interface. I don't want the floating icons. Let me show you first what is floating icons. The icons that appears right here in the left side of my screen are the floating icons. I don't want these icons right here. I just want the icons to be into the bottom of my posts, not at the top as well. So let me remove the floating icons. Save change. Move to the standard. Scroll it down just a little bit. I'm gonna change this to be the bottom of the content, and the horizontal alignment gonna be to the left. Save change. So I have the icons into where I want, but I would like to change these icons. Let me scroll down just a little bit, and let's select the icon. I can also search for the network. I want the Facebook, X, Reddit, Flipboard. I think is all right. Let me save the change. And here are the results I got. A fully functioning social sharing buttons, so persons that like the post and the content can share the content to the social media, all working into a simple, fast, effective, and totally free method. As you can see, I just have clicked on Facebook, and here it's opening the Facebook to share the content. Let's try the X. Same results we got right here. Simple, easy, and very, very effective. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!